It's a game. There ain't no love in it. It don't love you back.
All right, so we got a new Ma Maniére collection. Normally, I'm dumb excited, but this time, not so much. I've got thoughts. Ma, let's have another sit down. Brand new day where sky's the minimum, milestone mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
But see, man, a nigga like me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man.
And as always, altruistically humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears vibing to what we got going on. And today, matching up with the thumbnail and description, we have the Ma Maniére times Nike/Jordan for the love pack. We got 3 shoes to go over, so let's dive right in. First, the Air Force One. Comes in the Ma Maniére 10th anniversary box that we saw with the While You Were Sleeping collection, and here it is. Blacked out, supple leather, Nike swoosh outlined in white, Ma Maniére branding on the midsole, blacked out co-branding on the tongue, laced in black. I do like the lace tips. Co-branding on the heel, and the lace doubre. It's basically these in a black colorway, but I can't front on a navy blue outsole. Nice touch. We got another Jordan 3. Package just like the original, except these come in a diffused blue colorway. Tumbled leather upper. The suede replacing the elephant print is like this blackish green tint. I really dig that. With the matte diffused blue strip, similar to the matte black that's on the While You Were Sleeping pair. Consistency on the co-branding, of course. Nike Air on the backside. Behind the heel, though, you do have this message. All we have is each other on the left, and you have to get comfortable walking alone on the right. A little bit conflicting, but for sure, why not? Quilted insides, although the tongue is neoprene, I bet that's super comfortable. Laced in white with an extra set of white laces. Come on, this was right there. 1, 2, 3, in that order. These were my favorite out the bunch. Just wish my box wasn't beat to hell. This version of Air Max 95 is up there, it's nice. No complaints out of this colorway. Hand wash cold graphics on the medial panel. Ma Maniére laser etched around the toe box. It's like the While You Were Sleeping pair. Also says While You Were Sleeping on the insole. I mean, oh, okay. A 3M hit. Always gonna be a winner with me. The color of the midsole is extra fly. Really plays well off the color of the air bows. Ma Maniére branding is on the tongue. Laced up in gray, 2 extra set of lace. This one right here is black with some diffused blue checkers, and this one right here matches the midsole. The colors on this is extra fly, and they make the materials do what they're supposed to do. So with this pack, my first impressions out the box, I mean, don't get me wrong now. These are nice, especially this one. But it feels, I don't want to say lazy. It feels more like paint by numbers. Let's just do the same thing and, change up the colors a little bit. And it just didn't hit like the others. Now, I'm still gonna make the on foot and fits part of the video do what it do.
Even if you don't believe.
I get why people say that they're, feeling a little bit tired or overwhelmed or it's getting a little saturated with this collab. These right here means that there's been 23 sneakers over the last 5 years with this collab, so I kind of get it. And I'm hearing rumors of a Jordan 6 later on this year, and I'm really hoping they take that direction and start touching different silhouettes, because we really don't need another 3 or 4. Me, I'm 20 plus years deep, so whatever they release, you already know I'm gonna grab it for the collection, because I'm such a big fan of the brand. Which brings us to the big so what. If I may get a little vulnerable for a second, yeah, I was a bit in my field. Last year, they released their While You Were Sleeping collection, and I couldn't have been more excited for it. 5-month rollout, 6 different sneakers, and an intriguing build up towards the While You Were Sleeping short film that they released. I loved it all. But as a creative, I was over the moon excited about the hashtag create at all costs. Even so much that coming up with the idea of how I wanted to present the collection was a defining moment in the direction that I wanted to take the channel. I wanted to be thoughtful about the visual storytelling and creative with how it was told. The entire project was months of planning, 6 different locations, outfits, ambition shots, all that. And we're not even talking about the time it took to edit. And I was elated about the final product and so eager to go ahead and join in on the hashtag. And then I posted it, and not even a single acknowledgement from the brand. I mean, I posted it on 4 different platforms. I mean, I can't even get a like. And I know their social media team had to be following the hashtag, or at least I hope, or you're fired. Because why wouldn't you engage with the creative community that based on the messaging you were trying to galvanize? Am I tripping? Maybe I was just hurt because the brand that I love so much didn't love me back. And I had to check myself. Like, what are you really doing this for? Because y'all liked it and shared it and commented and, all the things. And at the end of the day, The mob is who I do it for. It's not for clout. Although as an artist, you do want people to acknowledge and see and admire your work, of course. It damn sure ain't the money. It's for the love.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
I just want to create dope shit. I want to connect with and inspire people. And I'm using sneakers as a medium because, as my brother from another mother, Mr. Banks, once said, everybody got to put their feet on the ground. You feel me? I want to keep the altruistic integrity of my content pure, because without that, I'm just another sneaker YouTuber just putting a pair of shoes in your face. Look at the color. Wow, these
definitely hit different in hand.
And all that. And maybe, you know, me putting this out there, you know what I'm saying, it puts me on a blacklist of even being acknowledged by certain brands. Because as I'm told, the brands are always watching. And maybe some are pettier than others. But the things and stuff motto is passion over profit. So when it's my time, it'll be my time. But for now, just know that all of my content comes from a place of love and creative expression, full stop. But anyway, there you have it, the Ma Maniére for the love pack. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, go ahead and become a friend of mine by liking the video, dropping your thoughts down in the comment section below. What did y'all think about the shoes? Even though I'm over here salty and probably didn't do a good job of presenting them. What did you think about the video? Was I or am I tweaking, or you feel me on that? Can you relate to putting in a lot of work and not being acknowledged for it? You let me know. I'll make sure you at least get my recognition, man. Let's chop it up. And you already know the books, they're wide open for you to become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time that the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Next up, we got more Put Me Ons, handful of elevator pitches, and the possible Got 'em Tardy on the way. But for sure, I'm gonna be intentional about posting more to my IG and X or Twitter or whatever you call that. So give me a follow and keep it locked so you can keep up with the fly shit. And I still am making my rounds of videos from way back when and re-engaging with y'all in the comment section to see how you're doing. So, you know, just be on the lookout for that too. But other than that, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
You know what? You just need a little more recipe. Cover up, put you some soup, some tea. Hey, yo, take care of your man. Give him a thermometer. Take his temperature or something, man.
A faithful love. It's all love that I am dreaming of. Tomorrow. La 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 la.
Some people don't press like, some people don't comment, and they may not even interact with nothing you post. But you will be surprised with how many people need your energy. You don't even understand how much you mean to them. They never met you a day in their life, but you can't tell them that they don't know you. They appreciate you in a major way. You are genuinely loved. You are a part of their digital family. Keep going, because you are so needed in the world. Never confuse people giving you feedback with your impact.